All right, it's like a bowling ball, but we're not going bowling. Actually,
Not quite.
let's play air hockey, right? Tell us
Yeah,
about where we're at.
So we've got some air carriages here that help us simulate microgravity. It's about the best we can do here in the lab before going to the lab in space, right, on the ISS. And we have these air carriages that have their own CO2 tanks. They create a cushion of air at the bottom, and like you said, it's like a reverse air hockey table, where we have a cushion of air that keeps these things floating, and they move in a near friction-free way so that things that get set going keep going, just like in microgravity. If you set something going, it's not going to stop until there's a force in the opposite direction. You know, Newton's law, right? It keeps going until there's a equal and opposite force to stop it from going.
I'm not going to lie, this has got to be one of the coolest places to work. Every little boy's dream, right? You guys come in here and you play, but it's all in the name of science, right?
I mean, just look at these toys, right? We have a great time working with these investigations. And we program them here in the lab, we test them out, make sure they work great. And yeah, wherever we can, we do our own research, our own investigations to look at what we can do in space, and that's a lot of fun.
And there have been multiple uses of this on the space station, right? It's been there for years.
Oh yeah, it's been up there for 6-8 years now, and it's one of the most popular payloads on the space station.
It's educational, and you're learning autonomous.
We've got zero robotics, where even middle school students are programming these things.
Wow,
using
that makes me feel bad.
They have a great time. They learn how to program these things. They're learning how to program for the first time, and then they get to see these things operate their code from space in real time on live TV. So. They have a good time with that, and as well as the researchers from all around the country looking at different things that they could do in microgravity in space. All kinds of unique things that they can study and investigate using this platform.
And this granite floor, I have to mention, a little splash of color, I like it.
Absolutely. In fact, it was a female member of our team that chose that color for these next generation of CO2 tanks we're sending up to the space station to differentiate them from the original ones, which are actually grayish, boring looking.
Now, you say though when they get to orbit, you won't really see the pink, but
right.
Can't distract the astronauts too much. Right?
Well, once screwed into the spheres, you're not going to see the pink, but when they exchange the tanks, they can tell they're very pink, and it also helps us from the ground locate them on the video, the pink tanks.
Well, I can't wait. Can we race these right now? I mean, I just can't wait another second.
Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
Give me the other one.
Here it comes.